At Summit Services, we're proud to be the trusted name in comfort and performance across the Lowcountry. We specialize in air conditioning, heating, and home performance services designed to keep your home efficient and comfortable year-round. As a leading air conditioning contractor in Bluffton, South Carolina, our mission is simple: to not only meet your expectations, but exceed them every time. Whether you need an installation, repair, or full system replacement, we're here to help. Our experienced technicians bring skill, professionalism, and care to every project. We treat every home as if it were our own and take pride in delivering precise, dependable results. We know that indoor comfort is more than just temperature control. That's why we focus on efficiency, air quality, and energy savings for every customer. Whether it's a new AC installation or routine maintenance, we make the process easy, affordable, and stress-free. Comfort, after all, starts with the people who care. Call us today at 843-836-2653 or visit callsummitservices.com/products/air-conditioning. Summit Services, elevating comfort, exceeding expectations,